y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here, from beauty and lifestyle, home decor, fashion, jewelry, snacks, pets, everything. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and make sure you push that notification bell so you do know when I upload. But as you can see, today I have another unboxing from GlobeIn. I'm so excited. I love this box so much. GlobeIn is a lifestyle artisan type box. There's always different themes, and they work with different artisans around the world. And they always make sure that the artisans are paid fair wages, which I think is fantastic. And it's just amazing. The products that are in these boxes are so beautiful. And again, I love that there's always different themes. So their actual theme for the month, you may not be something you are necessarily interested in, but you will always have 3 to 5 other options so you can select a different box. Now, GlobeIn is $40 a month with $10 shipping. I do have a promo code that I will put down below along with a link to get you over to GlobeIn. It will save you some money off your first box, so that is great. Let's go ahead and get into this box. I do want to say thank you so much to GlobeIn for sending this to me. I do greatly appreciate it. I love the subscription so much. Now, I did pick my theme, and I've been eyeing this one for a little while, and I finally had to bite the bullet and get it because I just can't wait. And this is the GlobeIn Bake Box. I'm so excited. I think this is going to be so much fun. And one thing too I love is they go over and they tell you, so as we go through each item, we'll kind of see who could have potentially made our product and where it came from. I love that. All right, so it says here when you first open it, "Dear Mavens, butter, biscuits, cookies, and cakes is always that time of year for your favorite ooey gooey goodies. Let your bake box serve up the perfect utensils for any and all crispy creations and delicious delectables, and bond with your loved ones over the cozy vibes of cooking." Oh, I love that. So definitely with, I want to say summer coming up. It's like summer break, but technically I guess Christopher has been on break-ish, obviously since, the beginning of March. But school does officially end, not cancel, it's already canceled, end in about a week and a half. So I can use this and we can bake cookies and do different things for some fun summer activities. So I'm just really excited. One thing I do want to say about GlobeIn too, you guys, they package their boxes so well. Like, they make sure that everything arrives in pristine condition. So I'm gonna get in here, we're gonna get our first item. All right, so I actually just went ahead and took all of the items out because they were all individually wrapped and protected so well. So I figured I'd do that, make it a little easier and quicker for the video. So the first item we have here is this ceramic sugar canister. How beautiful is this? Like, you can tell that that's not a chip, that's just like paint. It's not chipped or anything. Beautiful. And it's actually signed by the person that made it. This is from Morocco. So here you can see someone working on the canister. I think that is amazing. Obviously each one is hand painted, just stunning, gorgeous. Now it says it's a sugar canister, like I said, because this is the bake box, but you could use this for storage for anything really. I mean, if you wanted to do this and put makeup brushes in it, whatever you'd like to do, you can do. It's obviously very versatile. All right, and then the next item, also from Morocco, is this gorgeous ceramic measuring cup. And it is just so beautiful. Again, I love that it is hand painted and beautiful. and it is 1 cup. And here you can see one of the creators. I love this so much. I think it's so pretty, and I like that it kind of has this handle so you can scoop. Love it. All right, the next item is actually a set of stainless steel measuring spoons. And these are actually from India. You can see here, again, another creator. And here we have, let's see, tablespoon, a teaspoon, half a tablespoon, or no, half a teaspoon, and a 1/4 teaspoon. So you have all 4. And they feel very like heavy duty. I really, look, the quality of anything with GlobeIn is phenomenal. It's just, you can tell that the people that make these products have so much pride in their work. I love it just so very much. All right, and then we have a French rolling pin. This is from Tunisia. Guys, is this not gorgeous? Like, you can like, just obviously no two are gonna be alike. And I just think that having the characteristics is just so beautiful. And this is made from natural olive wood. Gorgeous. And then our final item is from India. And this is an enamel mixing bowl. So it's kind of like a tin material coated. It's a really good size. It's like the perfect size for mixing up cupcakes or cake batter, whatever. And here you can see some of the creators of these bowls. And again, if I did not say, this is from India. So we have a mixing bowl here to mix all of our goodies in. We have the French rolling pin to roll out cookies or bread dough, whatever we may be making. We have the measuring spoons to measure any ingredients, as well as the measuring cup for obviously larger quantity ingredients, and this adorable sugar canister. But like I said, this really could be used for anything. I mean, you could, the possibilities are endless. So again, I think this is just super fantastic. Like I said, I will put that link and promo code down below in the description box to go ahead and save you some money if you would like to sign up with GlobeIn. I highly recommend it. Like I said, have never been disappointed with GlobeIn and the quality of their products. And then the fact that the message behind GlobeIn of working to make sure that these amazing artisans are getting fair wages and everything, I think is just fantastic. So everything about GlobeIn I love, and I know you guys will too. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.